So let's start with the unboxing of Nintendo Switch Pro controller. This is an original controller from the Nintendo. Let's open the box. So inside the box we have a very good quality USB-C cable which will be used for connecting and charging this remote control. Then inside this package we have the actual controller. There is some documentation, the steps to pair the remote control with your Nintendo Switch, and the details of all the buttons. Wow, that's a really superb quality controller. It has got a weight to it, and the finishing of the product is so nice. There is a see-through transparent cover. I can see the details written inside with the Nintendo branding here. There is also a USB-C port which will be used for connecting and charging the remote control. And it has got a very nice finishing, anti-slippery grip, and I'm able to hold it very nicely in my hands. You have both the joysticks, the left and the right joystick. These are the two remote controls which comes with the Nintendo Switch. And I've got this remote control out of operation. This ribbon is broken. And those who are using Nintendo Switch, they know that this red color remote is prone to breaking. Pro controller has all the buttons which are available on those two Joy-Cons. That joystick is for the red color, the other one for the blue color remote. You have these X, B, Y buttons and the D-pad also. Plus we have the plus and minus. So this minus button is here, which is on the left control Joy-Con, and the plus button is on the red color Joy-Con, the right hand side. And also there is a snapshot button and the home button also. At the bottom you will find these 4 LEDs which will light up and show that what number of player you are. So if you are player number 1, then you will see only 1 LED here, but if you are player number 2, you will see 2 LEDs light up. So in this manner you can connect 2 or more Pro controllers with your Nintendo Switch. So let's connect our Pro controller with the Nintendo Switch now. To connect the Pro controller with your Nintendo Switch, you take the USB to USB-C cable, and at the back of the docking station you'll find an empty USB port. So there are 3 ports. This one is for power, the bottom one is for HDMI to connect the TV, and this USB port is where you have to connect the USB cable. Now take your Pro controller and connect the USB-C end into the controller. As soon as it is connected, you will hear a beep, which means that the controller is now connected with the console. And if you press on the A button, you can control the Nintendo Switch with your controller. You can test the joysticks moving left, right, up and down, both the joysticks. Let's go into the controller settings and let's see. So over here is the controller showing up. You can see it is connected as player number 1, and also you can see the battery status, and this LED shows that the Pro controller is still charging, and the bottom LED shows you that you are player number 1 right now. So if you are player number 2, there will be 2 LEDs lighting up here. And if you go to the Find controllers, you have these 3 controllers attached with the Nintendo Switch right now. Build quality of the remote is very nice. It's very sturdy, very finely designed. I can hold it very nicely. Super strong anti-slippery grip. The joysticks are moving flawless. The trigger buttons, the left right buttons, everything is working so smooth. So guys, if your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons are giving trouble, I suggest you to go for an original Nintendo Switch Pro controller and not the Chinese made or the aftermarket controllers, because although the original one is expensive, but it is worth the money you are paying for. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more technical videos. Thanks for watching.